question for Herman Glass. When was the last time that you used a phone?
Yeah, I got Sunday on the show on the rocking on.
Yeah.
The dating game.
And finally,
Okay.
laughter is the best medicine, but only when you can't get your hands on some Demerol. I'll be right back with a lovely Dakota Fanning, everybody.
Tonight on the Late Show. Here's the very lovely Naomi White. No.
I know. This is no king.
You show tonight at 10 on SET.
Been 72 hours here. That's more than 3 days since they blew him out of the sky. And I'm tired of waiting again. If this is candy ass. We're going to draw up a response scenario today. I'm going to give the order today. We're going to strike back today.
Inspiring.
I don't care what it is. I care what it looks like. I don't care what